Johnny. Don't hang your hand in front of the lens.
I want everybody to alert your support teams. Wake up anybody you need, get them in here.
Joey.
Let's work the problem, people. Let's not make things worse by guessing. 13, this is Houston. We're going around the room now.
To Joe.
I tell you, keep spinning like this. We're going to keep hitting the edge of that dead man. Take a look at the O2 on number 1. 200 pounds and falling.
O2 tank 2 steel 0.
To Joe.
218 PSI and falling.
Is that what you get? Confirmed. We're seeing the same, 13. Can we review our status here, Si? Let's look at this thing from the standpoint of status. What have we got on the spacecraft that's good?
I'll get back to you, Gene.
We're not going to have time much longer. The ship's bleeding to death. Guys, where are we? All is lost. Every Monday starting at 7 on Sci-Fi.
Monday, every Monday, starting at 11 on
Stop it.